Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2021 BMW 430i. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. That looks excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. Let's take a look at the driver fender and wheel. The fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the driver door. This door is in good condition. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches. Let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks good. Everything looks fine, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to move along the back of the car. Okay, the trunk and back bumper, they're in good condition. Let's have a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in good condition. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the passenger door. This door looks perfect. No scratches, no dents here at all. And now the last fender and wheel. The fender looks very good. No scratches, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. First, we're going to start with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear here at all. Let's move on to the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear. Let's move on to the back seat. Good. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Excellent. Everything here is in good condition. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Okay, the buttons on the steering wheel look really good, and around the steering wheel is in excellent condition as well. So the interior of this car is in perfect condition. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.